So, here's the second video in the series. Get ready to learn something useful. So, it's me teaching the teacher, and here we go. Part two of this particular series. So, if you're studying commerce, economics in uni or college, or business studies in high school, so financial statements, balance sheet, it's quite easy. So, there's my social media. Don't forget to follow, check those out. And also, you got to risk it to get the biscuit. Let's make money. That's why you're studying here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for notifications. And yeah, if you want to share the love on Patreon, please feel free to. Helps us keep this channel alive and going. So here we go. Balance sheets. So financial statements. Balance sheets are essential to business. It's in accounting, and it's called accounting because you got to be accountable. Part of the essential three. So you got your P&L statements. Feel free to check out that video, or you can check out the cash flow statement. Now, moving on, balance sheets are useful because they tell us how much a business is making. So where's the money coming in? It's earning. How much it's spending. So where the money's going out and being spent on, as well as the equity a business has. How much capital, so the money, financial resources, a business has to play with. Let's look at it here. They should always balance. It's in the name. It's pretty obvious. So the formula to know is the ALLO formula, or ALLO. Assets equals liability plus owner's equity. So assets, they're the things which make money or are worth money. Liabilities, they're things you need to pay back now or eventually. And then you got your owner's equity. So that's money you can use from your own pocket. So just remember aloe as in aloe vera. Pretty easy. So let's move on. Next one, the main reason why a balance sheet balance is because of the accounting principle called double entry. So this accounting system records all transactions in at least two different accounts and also acts as a check to make sure the entries are consistent. Put simply, money has to come from somewhere and money has to go somewhere. And that's why things balance out. Money just doesn't magically appear. See my little wizard guy here? And it doesn't just vanish into thin air. Right? If it's like that, probably someone's taking money out or something suspicious. Got to check on that. Just on a simple sense, if you own a $20,000 car, you borrow 10K from the bank and you pay the remaining 10K yourself. So think, aloe, don't let the math intimidate you here. So here's his guy. He's got his car, so that's $20,000. His red sports car, that's the asset. Liabilities, $10,000. He has to pay back the bank. The bank, that's his debt. See there? But he's also got owner's equity of 10K. So that's his money, or in your case, your money. See the cash that just dropped in. Do the math. $20,000 equals $10,000 plus $10,000. Aloe. And if you don't get it, here are some lines to connect it through. Feel free to screenshot this if you want. Moving on. Here is a balance sheet. So here's a rich guy. So he gets money coming in from his current assets and his non-current assets. It's generating him money. But also he's got owner's equity too. Fortunately, he has liabilities, so there goes the money slowly away as you're checking that out. So yeah, we will go into depth that greater detail. But there's balance achieved. So here we go. Assets. So current assets, you get your cash, your accounts receivable, your prepaid expenses, and your stock. Those are your current assets. So those are in the now. Then you got your non-current assets. So it's your land and buildings, for example, your fixtures, fittings, and your intangibles like your reputation and goodwill, things that you can't really hold on. So there's the total non-current assets. A little bit above it there in the darker bold font is the total current assets. And he's got a total assets on this side, left side of the scale, $141,500. Now it's got a balance. So what's going to be on the other side? See, it's still blacked out. Let's go peel that first one off. Bang. Liabilities. Things you have to pay. It's in the red because these aren't good. It's never good to be parting with your money. It's good to earn money. Here's a hint. Patron, if you want, you can give me a shout out. I'll give you a shout out for some money. Anyway, accounts payable, bank overdraft, credit cards, and accumulated expenses. Total current liabilities of $15,500. Non-current liabilities, he's got a mortgage, so that's $66,500. And there's your total. Just runs down because you've only got one thing there. Add them up, your total liabilities So that's your current and your non-current liabilities, adds up to 82K. And then you got your owner's equity. So owner's capital, 36.5K, and retained profits, 23K. K means thousand if you didn't get it, so that's 23K equals $23,000. Total, just do the math, add it through, and then add the total liabilities. I've just peeled that bottom one down there. And the total of the owner's equity, there's just an owner's equity, which is orange. And you got 141,500. No coincidence. It matches the left-hand side. That's why it balances. Current means needs to be paid soon. Non-current means it needs to be paid, but so, what did you learn today? If someone ever asked you, you have an answer now. Balance sheets, they should always balance because of double entry. The formula to know is ALO. That's your assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Just remember aloe vera, and remember it always balances out because of double entry. And if it doesn't balance out, either your math is wrong or something suspicious is happening. All right, thanks for watching and your support. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. They're updated and they're uploaded regularly. Spread the word to your classmates, your friends, or if you're a substitute teacher and you use this to teach, spread it to your colleagues. And feel free to check out my Patreon and spread out the kudos and loves. Watching the ads also helps too, so thanks for that. If you don't use ad blocker, or if you interact with the ad, or you watch the whole one, you don't skip it. Many thanks to you who do that, as well as the Year 11 Studies Business class who've actually motivated me to do this. It's almost midnight, and yeah, I promised that I would get this out. All right, cool. Remember, study hard for a bright future. See you next time. Bye.